Welcome back, mortals. Today we shall discuss a matter close to my heart: fatherhood, a concept I have come to understand and appreciate throughout my tumultuous journey. Join me as I share 10 essential tips that highlight the importance of fatherhood, influenced by my own experiences. 1. Be present in your child's life. As a Spartan warrior, my initial mistakes were rooted in my absence from my son, Atreus. But when I learned the value of being present, I witnessed the tremendous impact it had on his growth. Your presence molds your child, instilling in them a sense of security, love, and guidance. 2. Set a positive example. Children observe and emulate their fathers. My past actions, fueled by rage and vengeance, served as a cautionary tale. Instead, display traits of integrity, honesty, kindness, and resilience. Your behavior shapes their perception of the world and influences their future actions. 3. Provide emotional support. In the land of gods and monsters, emotions are often suppressed. But I have learned that listening to Atreus, understanding his fears and aspirations, strengthens our bond. By being emotionally available, you grant your child the courage to face their own battles and seek your guidance when needed. 4. Foster independence. As fathers, we must strike a balance between guiding and allowing our children to forge their own paths. Encourage them to discover their strengths, make their own decisions, and solve problems. By nurturing their independence, we prepare them for the challenges that await them on their journey. 5. Show affection. Despite my stern exterior, I have come to understand the power of affectionate gestures. Embrace your child, offer words of encouragement, and let them know they are loved. Through these gestures, you strengthen their self-esteem, emotional well-being, and overall happiness. 6. Support your partner. Fatherhood is not solely about our relationship with our children. It also involves being a pillar of support for their mother. By sharing responsibilities, demonstrating compassion, and fostering a strong partnership, you create a nurturing environment that benefits your entire family. 7. Be involved in your child's education. In the realm of gods and mortals, knowledge is a weapon. Attend parent-teacher meetings, assist with their studies, and take an active interest in their academic pursuits. By valuing education, you equip your child with the tools they need to face the challenges of the world. 8. Teach life skills. As a father, impart practical knowledge that extends beyond battles and wars. Teach them essential life skills, such as responsibility, resilience, and the value of hard work. These skills will fortify them against the trials they will inevitably face on their own path. 9. Be a source of stability. Amidst chaos and uncertainty, be the constant in your child's life. Be their rock, guiding them through the tempestuous storms that rage around them. Your unwavering presence grants them the strength and security needed to overcome any obstacles they encounter. 10. Celebrate individuality. In the pantheon of gods, diversity is a rarity. But as fathers, we must embrace the uniqueness of each child, encourage their passions, nurture their talents, and celebrate their individuality. By doing so, you empower them to discover their true potential and become formidable beings in their own right. And so concludes our 10 tips on the importance of fatherhood, as imparted by the Ghost of Sparta. Remember, being a father is not simply a title. It is a profound responsibility that shapes the very fabric of your child's existence. May these insights guide you on your own journey of fatherhood.